We all start life from a single cell. This mother cell divides into other subsequent daughter cells. So it happens cell division into 4, 8, and so on. Cells form tissues, tissues form organs, and organs form us. The process of cell division from one single cell to hundreds of trillion cells is called growth. In a very first sight, growth seems an easy, typical thing, because the concept of growth makes us think of someone who is growing taller or with the passing of years wider. But the cell growth is not simple. Cell division is considered to be a kind of chemical dance, which is part individual and part community driven. And in a neighborhood of 100 billion cells, there are times when things go wrong. The genetic material, DNA, of a cell will start producing mutations that affect normal cell growth and divisions by being damaged. When this happens, these cells do not die, but form a mass of tissue called a tumor. So when someone is having body disorders and multifunctions of organism, start to see the doctor and conduct checkups and other medical analysis. Due to the fact that a breast lump is identified, difficulty of going to the bathroom, which could reveal a malfunction of intestine, prostate, or bladder, or blood test might count too many white cells or elevated liver enzymes. This is the moment when the doctor delivers the bad news. It's cancer. Your strategy of making things from now on will depend on where the cancer is and how far has progressed. If the tumor is slow growing and it is concentrated in one place, surgery might be what you need. If the tumor is fast growing by affecting the nearby tissues, your doctor may recommend radiation or surgery followed by radiation. If the cancer has spread and is inherently everywhere like the leukemia, your doctor will most likely recommend chemotherapy or a combination of radiation and chemo. Radiation and most forms of chemo work by physically shredding the cell's DNA or disrupting the copying machinery. But neither the first nor the second target only cancer cells, but also the healthy ones. So what happens when these other cells are also affected by chemo and radiation? Let us consider three different types of cells: that of healthy liver, a healthy hair, and a cancer cell. The healthy liver cell divides only when it is stressed. The healthy hair cell divides frequently, and the cancer cell divides even more frequently and recklessly. When someone takes a chemotherapeutic drug, it will hit all these cells. Due to the fact that these drugs work typically by disrupting cell division, the more frequently a cell divides, the more likely the drug is to kill her. In our body are found a lot of cells which divide frequently, the way hair cell does. They are hair, skin, blood, and gut cells. This is the reason why a patient that is under chemotherapy has symptoms like hair loss, skin rashes, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, and weight loss. Cancer cells are aggressive by disrupting other cells' division. By using chemotherapy, we take advantage of that aggressiveness and we turn cancer's main strength into a weakness.